Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn fractions. Already we studied addition and subtraction of fractions. Now we are going to learn multiplying and division of fractions. Multiplying and division of fractions. So multiplying fraction. So multiplying fractions means 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. So a by b into c by d. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So don't forget the cancel down. In this case we can divide both the numbers by 6. So 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. Product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 3 2s are 6 and 4 divided by 4 3s are 12. So reducing the simplest form, 6 divided by 6. So numerator and denominator divided by 6 by 6. So 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12. So we get the value is 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, we get the value is 1 by 2. So multiply and reducing to the lowest form and convert into mixed fractions. Convert into mixed fractions. So 7 into 3 by 5. 7 into 3 by 5. So denominator considered by 1. 7 by 1. 7 by 1 into 3 by 5. 7 by 1 into 3 by 5. So product of the numerator and divided by the product of the denominator. Product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 7 3s are 21. 1 5 is 5. So 21 by 5. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. Improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. And the quotient is 4. Remainder is 1. Divisor is 5. So 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1 21 by 5. So we get the value is 4 1 by 5. We get the value is 4 1 by 5. 4 into 1 by 3. Already know that 4 by 1. Already you know that the 4 by 1 denominator considered by 1. Denominator considered by 1. So 4 by 1 into 1 by 3. 4 1 is 4. So 1 3 is 3. 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. The quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. The quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. So we get the value is 1 1 by 3. 2 into 6 by 7. 2 into 6 by 7. So denominator considered by 1. Denominator considered by 1. 2 by 1 into 6 by 7. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 2 6 are 12. 1 7 is 7. So that is a improper fractions. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. Improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. So quotient is 1. Remainder is 5. 1 7 is 7. 7 plus 5 12 by 7. So we get the mixed fraction is 1 5 by 7. Another one is 5 into 2 by 9. Already you know that. So denominator considered by 1. 5 by 1 into 2 by 9. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 5 2s are 10. 1 9 is 9. So next 10 divided by 9. The quotient is 1. Remainder is 1. So we get a value is 1 1 by 9. 2 by 3 into 4. So denominator considered by 1. 4 by 1. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 2 4s are 8. 3 1 is 3. So 8 by 3. So we get a value is, so improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. We get a value is 2 2 by 3. Next one is 5 by 2 into 6. So 6 denominator considered by 1. 6 by 1. 5 by 2 into 6 by 1. 6 5s are 30. 2 1 is 2. So 30 divided by 2. So reducing the simplest form, we get a value is 15. We get a value is 15. 11 into 4 by 7. So denominator considered by 1. Denominator considered by 1. So 11 4s are 44. 1 7 is 7. So improper fraction convert into mixed fraction. The quotient is 6. The remainder is 2. So 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 2, 44 by 7. So we get a mixed fraction is 6 2 by 7. Are you understand? Multiplying the fraction. So find. So 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 of 24. So half meaning multiplication. Half meaning multiplication. So half meaning multiplication. 1 by 2 of 24. 1 by 2 into 24. 1 by 2 into 24. So denominator considered by 1. 24 by 1. So 1 24 is 24. 2 1 is 2. So 24 divided by 2. So reducing the simplest form. So 12 2s are 24. So 24 divided by 2. 2 divided by 2. So we get the value is 12. Next one. 1 by 2 of 46. So half meaning multiplication. Half meaning multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 46. So 23 2s are 46. So we get the value is 23. 2 by 3 of 18. Half meaning multiplication. So 2 by 3 into 18. So 2 multiply 18 times. 2 multiply 18 times. So 2 18s are 36. 3 multiply 1 time. So 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. So 36 divided by 3. So we get the value is 12. We get the value is 12. So 2 by 3 of 27. Half meaning multiplication. 2 27s are 54 divided by 3 1 is 3. So 54 divided by 3. So we get the value is 18. We get the value is 18. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So multiply by mixed fraction. So you will convert we convert into improper fraction. So 3 into 5 1 by 5. 3 into 5 1 by 5. So first improper mixed fraction convert into improper fractions. So 3 into 5 5 are 25. 25 plus 1 26. So 26 by 5. So denominator considered by 1. 3 by 1. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 3 26 are 78. 1 5 is 5. So improper fractions 78 by 5. So 78 by 5. So numerator is greater and denominator is less than. So numerator is greater than the denominator. So that is called the improper fractions. So 78 divided by 5. So the quotient is 15 and remainder is 3. So 5 15s are 75. So 75 plus 3 78. We get the value is 15 3 by 5. 5 into 6 3 by 4. 5 into 6 3 by 4. So mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3 27 by 4. So 24 plus 3 27 by 4. So denominator considered by 1. 5 by 1 into 27 by 4. So 5 27s are 135. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 5 27s are 135. 1 4 is 4. 135 by 4. So that is a improper fraction. So you will convert into mixed fraction. So 135 divided by 4 gives 33 is a quotient and 3 is a remainder. So 33 4s are 132. 132 plus 3 135. So we get a mixed fraction is 133 3 by 4. Another one example, 7 into 2 1 by 4. 7 into 2 1 by 4. So mixed fraction. So mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. So 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 by 4. So it's denominator considered by 1. 7 by 1 into 9 by 4. Product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. 7 9s are 63. 1 4 is 4. So 63 divided by 4. So that is a improper fraction. So improper fractions convert into mixed fractions. So 15 is a quotient and 3 is a remainder. So 15 is a whole number, 3 is a remainder, 4 is a divisor. So 15 3 by 4. We get a value is 15 3 by 4. 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 3 63 by 4. Are you understand? Write down all the sums. So next one is a dividing fraction. Dividing fractions. So 5 by 8 divided by 2 by 3. So already know that. How will you convert into dividing? So dividing rules. Keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fractions. So first don't change the first fractions. Change it means division into multiplication. Division into multiplication. So change the symbols. Flip it means to change the reciprocal. To change the reciprocals. Numerator becomes a denominator. Denominator becomes a numerator. That is called a reciprocal. Numerator becomes a denominator. Denominator becomes a numerator. That is called the reciprocal. For example, A is a reciprocal of 1 by A. A is a reciprocal of 1 by A. So for example, 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is a reciprocal of 9 by 4. That is called a flip it. So keep it. Keep it means first fractions. So don't change the first fraction. So first fraction 5 by 8 fixed. So next change it. Change it means operation will change. Operation will change. So how? So division into multiplication. So multiply. So another one is 2 by 3. Flip it. Flip it means form a reciprocal. So 2 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 2. So already you know the product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. 5 3s are 15. 8 2s are 16. So we get a value is 15 by 16. Are you understand? So dividing rules, keep in mind it. Keep in mind. So dividing rules, keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fractions. Change it means operation division into multiplication. Division into multiplications. Flip it means form a reciprocal. Form a reciprocal. So 12 divided by 3 by 4. 12 divided by 3 by 4. So 12 is a whole number. So fractions, 12 is a whole number. So fraction, how will you convert a fractions? So denominator considered by 1. 12 by 1. So we considered by 1. Denominator we considered by 1. 12 by 1 divided by 3 by 4. So first fraction is 12 by 1. Second fraction is 3 by 4. So keep it, change it and flip it. So don't change the first fraction 12 by 1. So change it means division into multiplication. So multiply. So 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 means form a reciprocal. 3 by 4 is a reciprocal of 4 by 3. So next one is a product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 12 4s are 48. 1 3 is 3. We get a value is 16. Are you understand? If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. 14 divided by 5 by 6. Already you know that denominator considered by 1. Denominator considered by 1. 14 by 1. So that is a first fraction. So divided by 5 by 6. So already you know that. So 14 by 1. So symbols. So division into multiplication. So 5 by 6 is a reciprocal of 6 by 5. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. 14 6 are 84 by 5. So improper fraction. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. So mixed 16 is a quotient, 4 is a remainder. So 16 is a whole number. So B by C is a normal fractions. So proper fractions. So we get a value is 16 4 by 5. 18 divided by 7 by 3. 18 divided by 7 by 3. So 8 by 1 divided by 7 by 3. So 8 by 1, don't change the first fraction. So division into multiplication. So multiply. 7 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 7. 8 3 is a 24 by 7. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. So we get the value is 3 by 7. So 24 divided by 7. So we get a value. So the 3 is a quotient, 3 is a remainder. So 7 3 is 21, 21 plus 3, 24. We get a value is 3 by 7. Four divided by 8 by 3. 4 divided by 8 by 3. So 4 by 1 divided by 8 by 3. So 4 by 1. So operation change into division into multiplication. So multiply 8 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 8. Product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. We get values 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 188. So reducing the simplest form. So numerator denominator divided by 2 by 2. So numerator and denominator divided by 2 by 2. We get a value is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 it is an improper fraction. So we convert into mixed fractions. We get a value is 1 by 2. So another one example, 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. 3 divided by 2 1 by 3. So we consider the denominator 3 by 1. So operation change into division into multiplication. So mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 7. So product of the numerator with the product of the denominator. So 3 3s are 9. 1 7 is 7. So 9 by 7. So improper fraction converted into mixed fraction. So we get the values 1 2 by 7. 1 2 by 7. So another one example, 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. 5 divided by 3 4 by 7. So denominator considered by 1. Already you know that. So operation change into division into multiplication. So another one is a mixed fraction converted into improper fractions. 7 3 is at 21. 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. So 25 by 7 is a reciprocal of 7 by 25. 7 by 25. So 7 5s are 35. Divided by 125 is 25. So reducing the simplest form, numerator and denominator divided by 5 by 5. So 7 5s are 35, 5 5s are 25. We get a value 7 by 5. So that is an improper fraction. So we convert mixed fractions. We get the values 1 2 by 5. 1 is a quotient, 2 is a remainder. 1 5 is 5 plus 2 7 by 5. We get a value is 1 2 by 5. Another one, find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So first fraction is a 2 by 5 divided by second fraction is a 1 by 2. So 2 by 5, don't change the first fraction 2 by 5. So operation change division into multiplication. So multiply 1 by 2 is a reciprocal of 2 by 1. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. 2 2s are 4. 5 1 is 5. So we get a value is 4 by 5. So another example, 4 by 9 divided by 2 by 3. So 4 by 9. So operation change into division into multiplication. 2 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 2. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 4 3s are 12. 9 2s are 18. So reducing the simplest form, we get a value 2 by 3. So another one, 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. So first fraction is 3 5 is of 15. 15 plus 1 16 by 5 divided by 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 2 5 5 by 3. So first fraction is a 16 by 5. Second fraction is a 5 by 3. So 16 by 5. So don't change the first fraction. So operation change into division into multiplication. So 5 by 3 is a reciprocal of 3 by 5. So 16 3s are 48, 5 5s are 25. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions. So the quotient is 1 and remainder is 25. We get the values 123 by 25. 125 is 25 plus 25 plus 23, 48 by 25. Next one, 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. 2 1 by 5 divided by 1 1 by 5. So mixed fraction convert into improper fractions. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 1 11 by 5. So divided by 1 5 is 5. plus 1, 6 by 5. So first fraction is 11 by 5 divided by 6 by 5. So keep in mind the dividing rules. Keep it, change it and flip it. Keep it means don't change the first fractions. Flip it, change it means, so operation changes into division into multiplication. Division into multiplication. Flip it means form a reciprocal. So, change the second fraction. 11 by 5 into 5 by 6. 6 by 5 is a reciprocal of 5 by 6. So product of the numerator divided by the product of the denominator. So 11 5s are 55. 5 6 are 30. So reducing the simplest form, we get a value is 11 by 6. So improper fraction convert into mixed fractions, we get a value is 1 5 by 6. Thank you students. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Thank you.